one of the colleges I teach for uses this Wolfram. I'm saying that right. Player. It's a free player. That is a downside. You have to install it, so that creates some issues with perhaps 4 to 5,000 students in a class. But just to show you an example, this is on their the website. They got these demonstrations out here, and I can click this Black Shoals European call option, and then so you can download this CDF file. Once you got that CDF file, then you could put that anywhere, and when they click that file, that link, then it'll come up with a little interactive demonstration. So they can change the skewness, kurtosis, change this option, change this option, and then they can visually see what's happening. There's many different programs here, and I couldn't tell you which ones would be most appropriate for what you're looking for. But I would suggest that this is probably the best way to see some interaction. See, download this. I guess this shows price competition. Of course, this would take your subject matter experts would need to determine what's the best one to pick out of these and so forth. Again, you can see the changes here, what happens when you start changing these different parameters, whatever these represent. But anyway, that's what I found. I didn't have a whole lot of luck finding a really sophisticated site like the Brown University one for statistics. But this is probably the best one to show some interaction. Now, how you could integrate this, I suppose you could have a person go out here and specify that you want them to set the parameters, and let me see if this changes numbers. I don't see any numbers changing on the animation down here. But if you had the ones you wanted to choose, if you what do I want? Let me change that. Okay, must be some kind of restrictions there. There it goes. Okay, if I change that, you can see how it's changing some numbers down here. So this might be such that you could even put this in a quiz where they go out there and they do the animation and then they record off what that particular number was for whatever that represented. And I don't know if I'm making any sense of what I'm saying there, because business is not my my expertise. The other option would be to provide a interactive animation they have to go out and do something with, and then comment on what they found out in a discussion. But anyway,